In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can start making at least $100 every single day promoting CPA offers. And this is XP Marketing with another video. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course and start making hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come over to cpalead.com. So as you can see right here, you get paid for install and you get paid daily. Okay, as you can see right here. So all you just need to do is click on this sign up. So if you don't have an account, all you just need to do is fill in your basic information right here and you'll get your account created right away. Okay, so as you can see right here, $1 is the minimum requirement for daily payment. As you can see right here, once you earn $1, you get paid, and you can get paid via Payoneer or PayPal, as you can see right here. So once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is very simple. You want to scroll down here and you want to type in survey. Okay, so once you type in survey right here, you want to click on search, and once you do that, you want to scroll to the bottom of this page right here and you want to select this offer that says Pro Play. As you can see right here, this offer is going to pay you $1.97 for every app install. So basically what you are going to do to preview this offer page is to click on this preview right here. So if you click on this preview, as you can see right here, the offer says Pro Play survey for money, as you can see right here. Okay, so if I scroll down a little bit, you can see this is an app right here, which is going to give people rewards in form of gift card or PayPal money. All right, as you can see right here, iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Amazon gift card, and PayPal right here. Okay, as you can see, this is the code right here. So now I'm going to show you how to drive targeted traffic to this offer right here. So if I go back to Cpalead, you can see right here, these are the countries that this offer wants installs from. As you can see right here, United Kingdom, Germany, Canada, and Australia. Okay, so these are the 4 countries this offer wants signups for, and you will get paid $1.97. So now what you want to do from here is very simple. You want to go over to Facebook and you want to type in UK make money online. So basically this is going to show you groups of various countries of people who are looking for ways to make money online from that country. All right, as you can see, this group right here, Make Money Online UK, over 60,000 people in this group alone. And you can see this other group right here. We have Australia and UK, which is amongst the country that this offer wants signups from. Okay, so if I go back to Facebook right here, as you can see, this group also have 40,000 members. All right, so basically you want to join these groups right here. And also, like I said, you can basically change this UK to Canada, since this offer won't sign up from Canada as well. And you can also change it to Germany or Australia. All right, so if I click on this one here as an example, so now once you join this group, you can see an example of a post you are going to make in this group. You can see this one right here says earn $25 every day, just simple work, just watching videos. If interested, DM me or comment below. You are going to make a similar post like this one right here on this Facebook group. And once people start DMing you, you want to now go back to Cpalead and you want to copy this link right here. And you want to come over to this website cut.ly and you want to paste in the link right there. Okay, so once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to copy the link. All right, so once you copy that and once people start messaging you, you are going to redirect them to the shortened link, or once they DM you, you are going to send them to that link. So the next method you can do is by coming over to Quora, and you can just basically come to this add question section. And if you click on this add question, so you want to type in a question like this: how to make money online in UK. As you can see, these are similar questions right here that you can answer. You can see this one right here doesn't even have any answer at all. How do I make money online for beginners in UK? So basically, if I click on this question right here, I can go straight forward to answer this question with my link. You can see this another question right here with just 4 answers. Okay, so basically you can answer these questions as well. Okay, you can see this is another one right here with just 3 answers to do. So now you can change this UK now to maybe Australia. All right, you can see how do I earn money online in Australia. So you can see this question has only 2 answers. You can see this one does not even have any answer at all. This one also doesn't have any answer at all. And keep in mind, Quora gets hundreds of millions every single month. So basically, all you just need to do is leave an answer to these questions right here. So basically, I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. Okay, so if I click on this one here that doesn't have any answer at all, so as you can see, how can I make money online in Australia as a student? So I'm just going to click on this. All right, so as you can see here, there are no answers on this question. So all I'm just going to do is click on this answer right here, and I'm going to type in something like, you can make money online by filling out surveys and get paid via gift card or PayPal daily using this free app. Okay, so now all I'm going to do from here is to highlight this app right here. So once I do that, you want to come to this font section and you want to change this URL. You want to paste in the shortened URL link right here, and you want to click on add. So once you do that, as you can see right here, it's going to redirect the visitors to the CPA offer. So now if I click on post, as you can see right here, your submission was successful. Okay, as you can see now, this is the answer right here, and Quora did not ban this answer. All right, so as you can see, how can I make money online in Australia as a student? Okay, so you can see the answer. You can make money online filling out surveys and get paid via PayPal or gift card using this free app. So like I showed you right here, this app pays people via gift card or PayPal, as you can see right here. And if you go back to Cpalead, just as you can see right here, Australia is amongst the country that is required right here. Okay, so if you come over to similarweb.com, you can see right here that Quora gets over 600 million visits every single month. All right, so basically this offer pays out $1.97. All right, so if we get just 100 people every single day to complete this offer, all right, you can see you are making $1, you are making $197 every single day. And if we multiply that by 30 days, you are already making over $5,000 every single month. So basically, like I said, you can repeat the same process for Germany, for Canada. And if you do this, if you keep at it, if you stay consistent, you are going to make money promoting this offer right here. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.